chance of showers. The coastal waters forecast for the following water from
What's up, guys?
Texas extending from
Southeast
20 to
Texas
60
EAS here.
miles. West of today, east winds 5 to 10
So,
seas around 3 feet.
happy Christmas Eve.
Wind detail, southeast
Merry
3
Christmas
seconds.
Eve.
Patchy fog.
This is my first video on my new iPhone 17. Yep,
Seas around 3
finally
feet.
upgraded to iPhone.
Wave detail,
After
southeast 3
so
feet and 8 seconds.
long. I don't know what's up with this radio.
South winds
So,
around 10 knots.
when I get my new radio, which will be the Sanjitsu 100 in a few months,
Saturday night.
I don't know if I'll have to retire this radio. It's been acting up too.
3 feet. Sunday, south winds
This radio only does good when it's not on
seas 2 to 3 feet.
the cord.
Sunday night, east winds around 15 knots, becoming north 20 to 25 knots after midnight. Seas 2 to 4 feet. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. This is the 3:45 a.m. Upper Texas Coast Tide information for Galveston Channel.
So the current time
For
is
today, low tide at
10:52.
12:16 p.m. High tide at 9:14 p.m. On Thursday,
This
low tide
radio,
at 12:55 p.m.
this may be on its last run. I don't know.
9:30 p.m.
After all, I have owned it for 3 years. It doesn't make sense if it wants to give up now. In that case, I will retire it when I feel like it is time. Y'all remember the last RWT, how terrible it was.
Times for today, low tide at 2:13 p.m.
This has been an issue
High tide at 1:49
ever since I got it.
low tide at 2:40 p.m. Water temperature at Galveston Bay at
But yeah.
was reported reducing the visibility to 2 miles. Temperature 69.68.
So I think this is a problem.
96%.
This radio has an issue too.
Miles an hour.
I don't know.
Pressure 30.31 inches and rising. At Angleton, partly sunny. Temperature 72.71.
I don't know if I should bring back the Reecom, which is in my closet, or what. But yeah, I will decide in the coming days, maybe by tonight, because I'm a fast decision maker when it comes to shit like this. Other things I take 2 days. I take 5 business days. Anyways, we're gonna wait here. We're gonna wait for it to occur. Alright. Okay, you may notice something different. The 300 is here now. I know, right? Yep. One of these radios is the issue. I don't fucking know.
Mostly cloudy. Much cooler with highs in the mid-50s. Mostly cloudy.
I don't know. Oh, I'm getting a call. Okay, I'm done with that. I don't know what is the issue here.
Until noon Central Standard Time today.
Like, I actually don't know the issue.
Reduce visibility to 1/4.
It's something here. It's causing the issue. It's in this room. I'm gonna move my setup. Oh, there's fucking guys.
Central Standard Time today. Impacts. Low visibility will make navigation difficult.
I don't know what to do.
If you must navigate, proceed with caution. Use proper fog signals.
It's doing better here. So the 300 was kind of an issue here.
Remember to use your radar and compass.
I don't know, dude.
The waters
What do you think? What do you guys think?
Galveston Bay.
If any of you at least like has some sort of knowledge on this, if this is like some sort of electronic issue, drop it in the comments. There they go! Just when I thought they wouldn't. And look who didn't go off. It's another fail. You suck and you suck. You're up for retirement, buddy. You're definitely getting retired. Then I have to retire it after this video. And then reset up the 1630. Oh, that one went off. Yeah, this guy's having issues. I need to put 300 out of its misery already. So you may be wondering what this box is. Well, this is where all my old radios are, including retired. And some boxes. Here's the ND319. The DSP box, which I need to release the unboxing video because it will almost be a year old. The Easy actually is inside here right now. My weather station, calendars, HH, ER50 box. Oh, this, I did not finish that. I'm trying to fix my grandma's old phone. The Zone Guard, I don't know if I want to bring it back. This is why I don't want to bring it back. This, yep, this piece of shit. Focus. Look at this. Yeah. This shit is so pointy. G-Storm, which stopped charging after like 3 months, 4 months. And here is the Reecom. Oh, wait. And here is the Reecom. No, this is not new. This is actually the Reecom I got on my birthday in 2023. And here we have the 300. Hate you with the passion. Despite this being my current oldest radio in my collection, that is in service, will no longer be in service as of today. You guys just saw a terrible execution right there. Like, from my radios. This didn't go off because it's having issues. I need to determine why. That, it went off perfectly fine. So yeah, there will be changes. And honestly, for long-time viewers of my channel that have been watching since like my old channel days, you guys know how much times I've had to change my radio setup. I went from 120 easy, then I had the 120 easy and the 300, then the 120 easy, the 300, the Zone Guard. Then I got the G-Storm, and I put the 120 up because of that. And then I put the G-Storm up, and I put the Zone Guard up, and I had the HH around that time. And then I went from the HH54. Then I had the HH54. Then I had like HH54, this guy. Then I had the Reecom. And then like, yeah. And then in 2024, I brought back the Easy. I brought back the Easy in 2023 again. Then I put it out after it wanted to die on me. And then in 2024, I brought it back. I got the MD319 that year, and the ER50. And in 2025, I got the 521, which fucked up not even a week into its service. Well, actually, literally a week into its service. And then I got this, which is my latest radio. So the CL100 is going to be my next radio. as of now. And there's going to be major changes. So yeah. This radio, the only reason I put it up is because I started hating this radio. But yeah. Let's provide it. But before we do that, we must kill off the 300. You see this? This was like, this was like a decent radio. I don't know why I really put it up. I can't, like, I just started to hate it, but yeah. This radio was also paired up with this radio at the time for like a few months. This was the setup. Just excuse that. And then I had the HH in the background. So, before we set up this guy, reset it up, we must kill him. That is taken out of context. Don't take that out of context. Alright, here we go. Say your last goodbye. You're not going to be out ever again. Yep. I had enough of you with the near fucking bullshit. I can see the screen fading. Yep. So, you deserve this. Put the antenna down. This radio, I had it in service since like January. I brought it back in January this year. Yep, it's dead now. Just taking everything out for good measure. These batteries might be weak. And since tomorrow's Christmas, it doesn't really matter if I put weak batteries. My power is definitely not going out tomorrow. Alright, it's dead. It's pronounced dead as of 11:40. You will never see the light of day again. Alright. Putting the 300 cord, the cord used for the 300 which was actually the 120 EZ's cord, which is it's a whole shebang. Why I put up why I retired the 120 EZ the first time. It's kind of complicated. But yeah, putting it out of its misery, and back to where you belong. Goodbye. That was my second radio, and it's no more. Oh yeah, the antenna's kind of out of whack. It was like moving like this. Maybe you see it, maybe you don't. I don't know. Alright. I do not want to do the tradition. It never really works. Boom. Got it. Oop, it's back. Well, it's making that same noise it did on its last few weeks. All right, welcome back, buddy. You're here for now. I don't know if you'll be. I mean, like, all my radios are gonna get retired eventually. Who knows if I'm ever gonna quit EAS? Maybe I will one day. I don't know. But if I do, I don't know when that will happen. Actually, hold on. really long RWT video, which turned into the revival of an old radio. I was not even expecting this to happen today. 3, 2, 1. Date. Shut the fuck up. Yep, exactly. Time. Oh wait, right. This is not Samsung. It's 11. It's rocking. All right. Trying to select.
In the morning. Sunday night, southeast winds around 15 knots, becoming north 20 to 25 knots.
Doing that choppy thing.
Seas to
But guess we can pass it by. Alert mode. Alright, I'm gonna keep it on alert disable for now. Enter county, we're keeping on all. But we ain't gotta worry about that because this has been a slow year. Only a few more days because I had a terrible year for myself personally. But this was also just not good for EAS alerts. But yeah. This is fun. When's the next RWT? The 31st! So it's another year of holiday RWTs, so Christmas Eve, and then we got New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve, yes, I consider that a holiday. Why do you think people not go to work that day?
5 to 10 knots.
Alright, so it's doing that thing, but I will figure it out later. It's also just, it's handling it a lot better than this little guy right here. So yeah, that's that. He's back for now. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep him here. I want to put, I think I want to put it over there. I will decide on that later. Yeah. Thanks for watching. That was a shitty RWT. So much so, I had to revive this radio. But yeah. Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.